So I'm going to open up the WordFoto app right there on the left, and I'm going to tap on the camera icon at the top of the screen. It's going to take me to a camera, and I have my portrait here. So I'm going to take a picture of my portrait, and if I'm happy with that photograph, I can click on Use Photo, or I can tap Retake at the bottom. So I'm going to use the photo, and it automatically places words into your artwork, but you can put your own words in it. So if you tap on Words at the bottom of the screen, you can add a new word set that right there at the top and put in some words. And then I will click on Done, and then now you can see that that word set is at the top of the list. So I'm going to tap on that, and that will add it to my artwork. Also at the bottom of the screen where it says Style, that will change the style of the lettering and the color, so you can play around with different looks to it.